Chapter 8. Disaster Management. Introduction. A sudden natural event that causes loss of the life and property is called a natural disaster. Natural disasters are caused by the forces of nature. Earthquake, flood, volcanic eruption, tsunami, cyclone and drought are the examples of natural disasters. Disaster, as defined by the United Nations, is a serious disruption of the functioning of a community or society that involve widespread human, material, economic or environmental impacts that exceed the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. Though often caused by nature, disasters can have human origins. According to the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, a disaster occurs when a hazard impacts on vulnerable people. The combination of hazards, vulnerability and inability to reduce the potential negative consequences of risk results in disaster. Earthquake. The sudden shaking of the Earth's crust is called an earthquake. It occurs without warning and can cause buildings and other structures to collapse. They can cause fires, floods, landslides or huge waves at sea called tsunamis. Most deaths in an earthquake are due to the collapse of buildings. The loss of life is greater when an earthquake occurs at night, when most people are asleep. The instrument used for recording the intensity of an earthquake is called seismograph. It is measured usually from 0 to 10 on the Richter scale. Measures of safety. If stuck inside the house during an earthquake, one should take shelter under a table or desk. The houses constructed in the areas prone to earthquakes should be earthquake resistant. Apartments should be emergency exits. People should move out through these exits and avoid elevators. When an earthquake strikes, people should move out to open spaces. They should stay away from any kind of solid structures, lamp posts and electric transformers. Floods. Floods is the overflowing of water that submerges the land. It occurs when the volume of water in a water body such as river or lake overflows its usual boundaries. This happens when an area receives excessive rainfall or when a great quantity of snow melts, increasing the water level in the water bodies. It can also be caused due to landslides, strong tides, storms at sea, cyclones and tsunamis. When flood waters stagnate in an area, there may be an outbreak of diseases. They may spread rapidly, taking the shape of epidemics. Measures of safety. Before flooding. In flood-prone areas, an emergency kit with strong ropes for tying things, a radio, torch and spare batteries, stocks of fresh water, dry food, salt and sugar, kerosene, candles and match boxes, waterproof bags to store clothing and valuables, and umbrella and bamboo sticks should be ready at homes. A first aid kit with important medications should be ready. One should know how to reach the nearest safe shelters. In rural areas, elevated areas should be identified. In a flood-prone area, channels should be created and maintained in working conditions all the time so that excess water can be drained off. Trees should be planted as they form natural barriers against water. During floods, all electrical appliances should be kept switched off during the floods. Flood alert always announce on television and radio. People should watch out for all such news reports. One should move to upper lives of buildings and wait to be evacuated. One should not try to wade through the flood water. Drought. Drought is a situation when crops fail due to lack of rain. Drought can cause deaths due to starvation and force people to migrate to other areas. Water scarcity is a major problem in Rajasthan, Gujarat and some parts of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Prevention of drought. Trees should be planted in drought-prone areas. They should not be cut down. Drought. As these areas have inadequate water, rainwater harvesting will help in tackling drought conditions. People should use water wisely. Drought-resistant crops such as millets, maize and sorghum should be grown. Cyclone. Cyclone is a violent storm that causes tremendous damage to the coastal areas. Cyclone is accompanied by very strong winds and heavy rainfall that can cause flood and high tidal waves, also known as storm surges. Cyclone usually occurs between 5 to 20 degrees latitude, north and south of the equator. They are called by different names in different parts of the world: cyclone, hurricane, typhoon and villi-villi. In India, the coastal states such as West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu along the Bay of Bengal, Gujarat and Maharashtra along the Arabian Sea have frequent cyclones. Measure of safety. People should not venture into the sea or ocean if a warning for cyclone has been sounded. Contact numbers of emergency services, family and friends should be kept. It is always advisable to listen to cyclone alerts on TV or radio. An emergency kit should always be ready. Volcanic eruption. The coming out of lava, ash, gases and pieces of rocks through a vent or opening at a weak spot in the Earth's crust is called a volcanic eruption. It is very destructive and can cause heavy damage to life and property. It usually occurs with a prior warning, so we can evacuate quickly on receiving a warning. If we are trapped in a volcanic eruption, cover our whole body to protect the skin and wear goggles to protect our eyes from the ash. Wear dust mask. Landslide. Landslide occur when masses or rock loosened by weathering move down a mountain. It can destroy buildings and busy roads and rail tracks in their path. Preventing deforestation can reduce the risk of landslides. Avoiding construction of houses on steep slopes can minimize the damage resulting from landslide. If we are on the road, watch out for cracks in the road, fallen debris, and other signs of landslide ahead. Disaster management. We may not be able to prevent a disaster, but we may certainly reduce its impact by being prepared for it. Disaster management consists of steps taken before, during and after a disaster to reduce the suffering and damage caused by it.